Hello, students. Today, I will teach you how to read words ending in ed, some sight words and sentences. Let's start. E, D. Together, you read it as ed. Let's read again. Ed. Let's have letter B. The sound of B is B. Then let's add ed. Together, you read it as bed. Let's read again. Bed. Let's have letter F. The sound of F is f, f. Then let's add ed. Together, you read it as fed. Let's read again. Fed. We have L. The sound of L is L. Let's add ed. Together, you read it as led. Again, let's read led. We have now R. The sound of R is R. Let's add ed. Together, you read it as red. Let's read again. Red. We have letter T. The sound of T is T, T. Let's add ed. Together, we read it as Ted. Let's read again. Ted. We have W. Let's add ed. Together, we read it as wed. Let's read again. Wed. Let us read sight words. Chicks. Let's read again. Chicks. His. His. Dad. Dad. Him. Him. They. They. Last. Last. Week. Week. She. She. Let's read sentences. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. The bed is red. Let's read again. The bed is red. She feds the chicks. Let's read again. She feds the chicks. His dad led him. Let's read again. His dad led him. They wed last week. They wed last week. Can you name the pictures? Let's start with the first word on the left. You have b, ed, bed. Next word, you have ed, red. Next, you have ed, fed. Next, you have ed, wed. Next, you have ed, ted. Next, you have ed, led. So there you go. You have matched all the words with the pictures. Good job. Well done, kids. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Watch out for my new post next week. See you.